Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you part 2 of my beaded keychain charm dangles. So let's get started real quick. Let me just remind you, in case you didn't see the first video, all of these are going to be listed in my Etsy shop. I decided to put them in the Etsy shop just because I'd have a little more exposure there than my own website. I may or may not end up putting them over to my own website depending on how well the exposure I get on these. These are something fun that I've been kind of creating lately, something a little different. So anyway, all of these are approximately about 7 inches long. You can find out all the information and other details such as price and exact measurements and things like that on my Etsy shop. I'm not going to put any prices or anything in this video, so you can go ahead and check out something you like. Most of these are one kind of one of a kind. I might have a few extra beads on some of them where I can kind of recreate something. It won't be exactly the same. But should you see something that you like, don't hesitate, because once it's gone, it will be gone. So let's go ahead and get started first showing you. The first one here is this really beaded red fish with a red heart. This has got a lot of a gold accent to it. And the back side right here. Now, should my voice don't match what I'm showing you, I do apologize for that. I don't understand why my videos are having a hard time, but just kind of bear with it. You can obviously see what I'm showing, and then you can figure it out from there. I've already tried to do this video a couple of times, and I've been having problems, so I'm just kind of going to roll with it. The second one is this cute little ghost holding a lollipop. Little heart up here. This is the second ghost one that I did make because the other one sold before I had a chance to even get the video made. So I had to quickly make another one because I thought the ghost was so cute, and I did have another ghost. I do have one more ghost. So of these guys, I would be able to make only one more. But the back, really pretty heart crystal. You can see all that. The other one is this cute panda bear. So there's two panda bears on this one. One is a full body panda bear. The other one is just the little head. And then the back side's both little crystals. This one right here is a pink flower. So I do have, in the first video, I did show you one I made with this exact same flower. That one had pearls. This one is the one listed with clear crystal beads. So should you see this one or the other one in the video, make sure that you are clicking on the right one, should you want either or. Very pretty. Here's the back. Really pretty charm right there. Alright, I stopped and restarted the video just in case my audio was really jacked up. This one right here is a really pretty green dragonfly. Really pretty. The back side's got some of they're kind of darker green. It's not picking it up. It's picking up more darker than the actual pretty green they are. This one. Then I have this really pretty blue butterfly right here. And the back side is a nice big flower. Does have a bunch of little dangle charms on this one. And then there's also this flower bead right here with a crown. Has some flowers and a butterfly on it. Really pretty. And then the last one is this pink butterfly charm with this giant crystal heart on it. There's also a super pretty little beaded butterfly right there, and then a little teardrop shaped crystal. The backside has a heart with little pearls around it and a really pretty crystal butterfly right there. And then the other side has this flower with butterflies on it, also a little crown. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you see anything you like, these are all currently listed in my Etsy shop. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.